Okay, I think I'm recording. Hi guys, I'm trying to get this to be in the right spot and focusing. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good. This is my second one that I'm filming, so hopefully this goes pretty well. Anyway, thank you for coming back to 2K's Learn to Paint. We are both doing a waterfall today. I don't know her colors. We both have never done it before. So I already put my colors in here. So I have Artist Loft Black Ivory, Artist Loft White, and then the rest of it is Arteza Pearl. They're pearl paints. So I have Pearl Pink, Pearl Magenta, and Pearl Purple. So I'm going to try this. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I think I have enough paints. Oh, and I have Artist Loft Graphite Gray. Is this what I'm supposed to be doing? I think I'm supposed to just be letting it go down. But apparently that's not what I've decided to do, so here we go. I had the other one all recorded, and my phone, of course, as usual, is being stupid. It erased it. Stopped recording after 4 minutes and erased it. Okay, now it's getting muddy. Oh, that is so pretty. Goodness. All right. Now let's get this. You can probably still see the paints at the bottom of the thing. I'm going to try to go not real fast. Because it's supposed to go all the way down to the bottom of the canvas before you start tilting to the sides. So there's that. Let's go over the edge. I just got a new what is that called? When I'm painting, apparently I can't think. A tripod. So I'm testing it out. I had it set up standing, but then my phone decided to be stupid and it's telling me I have no memory yet. I have deleted most stuff from it, so I may have to take it and go see what's wrong with it. I think that they put stuff on there to fill up your phone, so you have to buy a new one. That's just my theory. Oh my goodness. I actually am really liking this. Come on, just go off the corner. It doesn't have to go fully. Oh my goodness. I think I want to go just a little further back because this whole gray thing at the bottom is not my thing. So I think I want to tilt some of that off. Come on. I had really pretty colors last time. I had black and blue, but I really do like this. Okay, come on. Just a little bit more. I'm sorry. When I like a painting, I sing. Annoying, I know. I know. Okay. Gotta get the corners. And I think that's it for me. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. I'll try to get my phone in order and fixed. If I have to reset it, I will. I just didn't want to do that. But hit the subscribe button, the like button if you liked it. Again, I'm Carrie, and the next one coming up is going to be Kandi, unless she was before mine. So either way, you're going to have one of both of us. So have a good night. Bye.
Hi everybody, welcome back to 2K's Learn to Paint. Today I am doing, I'm Kandi by the way, today I am doing a waterfall pour. I've never done one before. So Carrie's already done her video and hers turned out amazing. So I've decided to go a little neutral this time. I've always tried to like get into the crazy colors. So I am doing Decor Metallics 24 karat gold. I am doing Pearl X Aztec gold. Deco Art Americana Desert Sand. And then just Artist Loft Burnt Umber. This is a great color if you want brown, by the way. So I've already layered all of my colors into my cup. I'll let you see what it looks like. Probably have too much paint, but we don't have to pour it all. So, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the top. We're basically doing a tree ring pour and letting it go down to the bottom. So, like a waterfall. So here we go. Wish me luck. You know what? Let's do it this way. Ooh, I thought my paints were thick enough for this tree ring, but it's not looking like it. That's okay. It is all right. Because if it goes off, I have plans for that anyway. So. Just having a little problem doing it left-handed. Don't worry about the extra paint. I promise you, it's not going to go to waste. Not at all. Not at all. I have a plan for the paint. But now, let me pull it up. Finish off my cup here. Now it wants to be thick, you guys. Alright, we're just finishing our rings off. There we go. I like it. It's kind of like a chocolate caramel. So now let's just tilt and see what we can get. It's gonna come out just a little bit. That gold is really pretty. Just try not to lose it all. Pull it back down. Hope you guys can see. Hoping I got enough paint to cover. Get to the corner. And I just had my canvas sitting on a big stack of tiles that I have. Let's see if we can get back down to this corner. I want to pull that middle back in. Y'all, this turned out really pretty. Considering I feel like I've messed it up a little bit with the paint consistency and the wrong hand and too much paint going off the canvas, but all right, perfect. Let me just wipe my hands off here. Let me come back around. Alright, so the only thing that I'm not real crazy about is all the white that's down there in that corner. So I am just going to tilt it some. I really love the neutral colors though. I've been doing so many that are just bright colors, and I've been working on some 3-tier cake stands, resin cake stands, and resin trays, and so it's kind of nice to just get back and paint and have fun and just do something for me. And I really like it. It's so pretty. I'm really trying to like consciously not say gorgeous so much. I've realized in my last few videos that I say gorgeous a lot. But guys, it's gorgeous. Alright, a little bit more white. Come on. Let's tilt it up. Ugh. Guys, it is so pretty. It reminds me of like chocolate and caramel, and who doesn't like chocolate and caramel, especially together? Look at that. The rings are beautiful. You know, it kind of almost looks like wood, which is kind of neat. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Leave me some comments, some advice. Advice is always welcome. Let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Have your friends subscribe. Hit the little bell so you always get when we go, you know, when our videos come on, you'll be the first to know. And I hope you all enjoyed it, and we will see you again soon. Bye.